So we're here checking out this 2024 yet, well, I guess it's released now. I was going to say yet to be released Mercedes high-top Sprinter van, camper van conversion. And we're going to check out the inside of that now. So follow along with us.
You want to just go in the back of the, you want to see the front?
Just open up the back slider first and we'll check that out first. I don't know how good the lighting is. Nice, got a little nice handle to grab here. Some of the features. It's good to have your emergency
Fire extinguisher?
fire extinguisher. That's what it is. Oh, nice flip down table here.
Yeah, a little extra space.
Got USB.
Yeah.
Yep.
GFCI.
Yep. Some handy hooks. Is that storage space down there too?
Well, maybe not. It's just the bottom of this.
It looks.
Yeah.
And I'm looking over here at some more controls. I'm not going to touch those.
Just a little bit of space for something.
Yeah, maybe shoes. I don't know.
Now let's look. Well, if they're this way.
Nicely done on the floor.
Under here for storage too.
Yeah, that's great. A great little catch-all area. Oh, and we don't want to forget, it looks like it has up there
Mosquito netting.
mosquito netting. I'm not going to unroll that either. We'll step inside. Watch your step. And here in the front, wow, we got some nice space in the front.
Yeah.
Want to pull that slider shut so it doesn't get cold in here. Step right into this driver's seat and see what this feels like. How comfy. You want to join me on the passenger seat and see how comfy it is?
Oh wow, you can feel the cushion in the floor.
You can see all the controls here, all the presets for your cruise control. Nice display going on here. Plenty of cup holders for your coffee.
It says SOS. I don't know what that is. Emergency button of some sort?
Yeah, it has, it's connected, so you got your emergency call up there. You pay for that service, and some storage up here. Sunglasses, hats. And your flip down visor, nice big visor. Yeah,
These are the slots. Oh, it's just design. Alright.
I'm gonna see there's another.
Looks like a light bar. Nice light bar right there.
I'm just taking my time to show every little feature here. I'm not sure. That looks like that might be another option, something you can add. It's plenty tall in here. Hon, you want to stand here and we'll show the height? Not that you're really tall,
I'm
but
5'7".
so there's at least.
What is that, 6 feet?
It's
maybe?
probably about 6'1", 6'2" at least.
Looks like a nice light bar too. It lights up.
Yeah, light bar. See if these are nice and quiet closed. There's plenty of. Look at all these cabinets here.
Yeah, you got another plug over there. I think a USB too, and that's cable.
Yeah.
There's another plug on this side.
Okay, they're like
Yeah, they are
laminate,
soft close.
soft close. I don't know how well they feel like they'll stay shut. Then down here, plenty of plugs and things here. Not sure what that is. Nice netting. The windows open up there.
No, that's a screen. What's this? Oh yeah, there it is. There it is. The whole window moves. That's
yeah,
different.
security kind
So
of lock.
the screen just moves. I mean, the window moves out of the way, and the screen is attached.
Yeah, and then these come down. I'm sure to get some privacy.
That's pretty cool.
I'm gonna swing around this way. Small quarters here. We gotta shift. Oh yeah, you can display here. Sit here first. We'll show this. Gotta watch my step.
The lagoon table.
Is it actually a lagoon
I
mount?
think so. It looks And it's operating just
So
like a lagoon
that's
table.
pretty good. So I bet these seats here probably swivel, or maybe it's an option so you can have a few people sit there.
It doesn't, maybe it does, but it doesn't look like a swivel.
And then you got some cup holders right there.
It's movable too. You can put it wherever you
Oh,
want.
that's different. That's neat. We'll have to keep playing the switch around game here. And I do see, I'm going to take the step down because you were getting to that. This converts to a bed.
Yeah, it looks like it pulls out somehow.
Yeah, probably just slides right out, slides forward.
There it is.
There we go.
So you pull it out.
And then
cushions for that are back here.
yeah.
In.
It actually feels pretty cushiony. Let me see what that seat feels like, and then they'll get a view of this, a little sneak view, and as we pan around here. Actually, nice and firm, not too saggy. Just swinging back around because I know I didn't show the storage.
This is a drawer or something like that.
Yeah, and I bet that's for the heat right there. That's where the heat comes out. Access panel. Don't worry, I'm not breaking their beautiful Mercedes van. I'll let you put that back. It's kind of hard for me to do it with the camera. Some more cabinets up here. A lot of stuff they fit. More electric there. Here's a better view of that window right there, hon. The interesting.
I like this. It pops the whole window out, and then you slide the window over.
So squeeze and slide, yeah.
Yeah, and then the screen's attached. It's wicked cool.
And it looks like there's more window coverings here, and attachment for the screen there. Another privacy curtain. Zips all the way, opens up if you want to have a little peek.
A little bit more light.
Then right here, that's actually impressive counter space. This is, you got your swivel faucet.
This probably doubles as a cutting board.
This is like your typical bar type sink.
Yeah.
But it's pretty decent. Is there an extension on this?
No.
These feel kind of just like plastic. I'm sure you could, maybe it's not plastic. You could upgrade that if you wanted.
Maybe.
Then must be, yeah, they lock right in the drawers. I don't know if I got that. Lots of them. Then 6 drawers.
Yeah.
Then there's some space underneath there. I'm not going to get down on the floor, but
that's just vents.
okay. But there's lots of space. I'm sure there's tanks under here too.
There's a cabinet right here.
So you could maybe put some shoes in there.
Yeah, there's something in there. I don't know what it is, but
Yeah, and then you'd have plenty of space for bedding here. Then we're moving into the back portion. I'm going to switch so you can like open things and I can actually show it. This is real time, people. So yeah, start with the cabinet. That must be a hanging.
It's shelving. There's shelving in the cabinet.
So
It's hard to
pantry.
see. There's 1, 2, 3, 3 shelves, and then the bottom.
I'll show that after when I get over there. And I did miss this. There's a nice TV right here that I'm sure swivels out and turns.
And right above the TV, you got your AC unit.
Yeah. Then you got your smoke detector.
And we got drawers.
Those are nice and deep. Let me see. They're pretty good drawers.
There's 4 of them. All the same, it looks like.
Yeah, there's plenty of storage in here, surprisingly. And
Across the way here, we got, this looks like a small microwave. Tiny. It's very tiny.
most people use them for a bread box anyway.
In the fridge.
Yeah, let's take a look at that. So it's even got a little freezer section here. Enough, you can fit like a couple things of ice cream, right, hon?
Yeah, maybe one thing of ice cream and something small next to it. Then you got a couple little veggie trays or whatever they are.
So it's, you know, it's enough for 2 people. You could probably get some food in there for a week or whatever. I don't know.
I'm not sure
That
what
may
this is.
just be related to the fridge because it's probably a 3-in-1 gas, whatever. I'm going to give them a view down here, and then we'll do that area. But this is the length. I'm not exactly sure. I didn't look at the specs. Then I'll walk up here and back into the cab. You're on camera, honey. So
This
you
is
are.
the bathroom. The
So,
very back of the van. These are the doors.
oh, so that's convenient. So you could come in from outside
So
if you
can
have
sit and
to.
do your business while you're looking at beautiful scenery.
And is there a shower back here too?
This is the shower, yeah.
Okay, so it's a wet bath.
With a vanity.
Yep. I'm not going to be on camera in that mirror. Yeah, so that's pretty cool. And so I would take that shower sprayer beside you,
Yeah.
and you could actually take that down outside the doors if you want to spray outside.
Yeah, it's got a pretty lengthy line on it, so.
So you could spray your feet off, or if you have a pup or whatever, and then, oh, yep, they got a curtain there.
We got
Keep everything dry.
a little closet here. It's kind of weird to have a closet in the shower.
Well, you can hang, if you're at the beach, you can hang maybe your wet stuff here.
And I could be wrong, but it looks like there's a pocket door in here.
Yep, it's locked.
This will slide shut. If you, I guess I won't touch that because I don't know how it's on there.
Yeah, it just snaps like ours. It's just a snap feature. And then just more bathroom storage.
But yeah, this door slides shut right here. So you'd have a full closed-in shower instead of just the curtain.
Yep.
But then you have this closet, which is weird with the closet in the shower, I have to say.
I just don't want to leave that open.
And then there's two drawers in here. And behind it, I can see all the electrical. There's a bunch of electrical in the back. Because there's some, you can't see it here, but if you went outside and opened the door, it looks like a couple little electrical hookups down there and some switches.
Yeah, can't get that in the camera.
And then we have to open up the back door for that.
Okay. And the back door's probably open, but...
And were you going to get a picture of this from in here?
Oh, that's true. I can
Step
open
over
that.
here, yeah.
Here's that cabinet that we were looking at before. Personally, the divider in the middle kind of makes it not a great spot. It might be easy, but I see the space is very tight, so you couldn't have one big door.
You forgot to see this. It's a pull-down sink. So
I wonder...
once you're done, it folds up.
Okay. And that must be the controls for the toilet
Yeah, that
and all
flush,
that.
I'm sure. That's the flush.
And then you get the fan and light.
And the light, yeah.
And so you can see, hon, you got plenty of room in there to shower.
Oh yeah, there's, I think more than normal. I think it feels that way. It's not like I can just do this. I can actually get some movement. Although the toilet is kind of cumbersome right there. But.
So does this curtain pull around to cover those windows? Yeah. Okay, so you get full privacy. And is that a regular flush toilet? That's not like composting.
No, that's what that is. I think it's a flush right there. You flush it. I think that's what that is.
Okay, we're not going to open the toilet. We can leave that to It's
leave that to your
Thetford,
imagination. Oh, so it's 2 doors. So it closes like this.
Yeah, and you get it locked for when you are traveling.
If you want to take it out and around the back and open the back doors.
Okay, we'll do that. Before we head out the doors, I just want to have you point out the control panel there. I'm sure it's all LED.
I'm not sure what this is. Oh, maybe that's for the water.
The hot water heater.
The hot water heater, yeah.
And then you got all your light controls. You can see there's 4 switches here. And then this I'm not sure what that is, but there should be somewhere controls for your tanks too. We may have missed that. Oh, and there's this right here.
A fan?
A tiny fan there.
Yeah, it's a fan.
Yep. So we'll take us around to the back. And I just wanted to point out that we have, a good place to step right here. You know, nice, solid, and secure to get up and out. And we'll come around the back now.
Nice smooth shot. Was that open, I wonder?
Yeah, looks like a little opening window. Here's some specs here.
Good.
If you want to get a hold of, this is the info for this particular Camper World.
Got a couple of plugs right here on the outside.
Yep. This is
Yeah.
the 2500 model, Freedom Elite.
It looks like a step right here. Pretty solid.
It actually has, you can tow on this. It's got some sort of a towing package and brake package on it. Oh, it does. It has an outside shower right here. So you would hook this up, see? So this hooks right up to an outside shower. So you don't even need to use the other one I said. It's already...
spray port right here.
Yep. It's quick connect.
That's pretty cool.
And then you can get a better view. The lighting is much better here to see the whole full bathroom.
I don't know what this stuff is. Oh,
It's a cassette toilet. So that's to empty your cassette toilet. You just pull that out and empty it in any public toilet. And then there's some more
storage right here.
Maybe throw your shampoo and things in there. The windows are nice and big.
Too. Same thing on the other door.
Better picture of the sprayer, and you can see the top. There's a light up there.
Yeah.
And the fan from over there is probably enough to circulate. You can get a better idea of the door there. It's got some nice lamination on it. And that's the view from the back to the front of the van. Your other exit door. And I wonder if these open all the way or if they stop. It looks like they stop.
Yeah, it doesn't look like it, because usually it has a thing right here where it unlocks it so you can push it all the way. I think that's as far as it goes.
Okay, so we'll move on to the next one. If we can, if we have time. Good deal. So this is a little looky.
Gotta shut this. It's not shut all the way.
I'm sure that's pretty standard. 2-year warranty.
It says swivel seat right on it.
Ah, sweet. Okay, so we didn't do the swivel seat, but it does come with it. Get your nice, and these are not extendable mirrors, but I'm sure they do the job. And this is your 2024 model.
First step on.
Yep.
I don't know if they heard that.
I didn't get to this side actually. Over here you got all of your, I'm getting a shadow here, but 30 amp service, 125 volt. You got your, when I get to it here, your city fill water. And another water fill here. So this, if you're hooking up pressure to the city fill, that's the one you want to use. Otherwise you can fill with that second. And I'm not exactly, we saw that inside. I think this one is to do with your hot water heater, I'm pretty sure. And then you got your vents down there. So, moving on. So this is your Mercedes, and this is going to be its own video.
Freedom Elite.
Freedom Elite. We're going to move on to the next one.